Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by locating the 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key. This is the single most important item. If you can't find it on the PC, sign into your Microsoft account or check printed/USB backups on another device. Once you have the recovery key, compare the key ID on the recovery screen to confirm it's the matching key. Make sure you're using an administrator account. This prevents permission roadblocks when you unlock the drive and change protection settings. Once you enter the correct recovery key, you'll immediately regain access to the encrypted volume. If you prefer command line, open an elevated command prompt and run manage BDE unlock D, recovery password followed by the key. This is faster for advanced users. After unlocking, suspend protections with manage BDE protectors disable D, so updates or repairs don't re-trigger recovery. While access is open, copy important files to an external drive and create or export a fresh recovery key to prevent repeating this. To finish, verify your files and then decide whether to decrypt or re-enable Bitlocker. If you need full disk performance and trust your backups, decrypt. Otherwise, resume protection and configure a stronger method like TPM plus PIN. After reconfiguration, save the new recovery key to your Microsoft account and export a copy to USB. If you can't find any matching key, pause, check Azure AD, your work account, or printed records. If still missing, contact IT or a professional recovery service as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.